I'll be 40 G's. You want weed, rolling out of G's. I said weed, you want some weed. You want some weed, rolling on a G. I started rapping and saying that doing my shit in a couple of reps in a couple of days. This nigga trapping and I'm in a shopping and I'm in a nigga to up on the rent. I was a boy and I'm in the go with the niggas and I'm in a bus in the rent. I was a phone with a trouble. Yo, get it. No, this is a lie in the shop of the president, the power, the car, with the power, the people, the show, with the niggas all on the rent and the car, the way. I'm on the way, I'm on the way.
As I may see your future
Like I do in the phone of my friends. I got 3 signed day, moving on, want a couple rents down the tank. I tell the baby to make a dance. For friends and bands.